Dubai, the city of the future and one of the most exciting destinations to travel to. It's the home of luxury, adventure, and just about every activity that you can think of. A city full of opportunity and great diversity, one that welcomes all. It's a place that you have to visit at least once in your life. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make the most of a short or long trip to Dubai. I'm going to do that by telling you the top 5 activities that you can't miss while you're in the city. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Shivan and I make YouTube videos about travel, lifestyle, medical school and university. So if you haven't checked out my channel already, go check it out because I make videos about all these things, and if you find it interesting, if you think it's something that you'd enjoy watching, then definitely consider smashing that subscribe button and joining me for a lot more videos. So let's jump straight into the top 5 best things to do while you're in Dubai. I'm going to talk about the 5 most exciting activities that I did while I was in the city, and I'm going to rank them in order from most exciting to least exciting. But let me reassure you that the least exciting activity is also a must-do thing. So watch the video till the end and let me know how you find it. So the first thing on our list of things to do in Dubai is a unique experience that you can't get in many other places, and that's going for a desert safari. So a desert safari is the perfect opportunity to experience Dubai's and the UAE's Bedouin culture and to do some really fun outdoor adventure activities that can include dune bashing, riding ATVs, riding camels, or just going and walking around the desert and taking beautiful pictures with the sunset. And if you book the right tour, you'll even get the opportunity to go visit a Bedouin camp where you can observe some really exciting sort of fire shows and even belly dancing, and you can have some great food as well. I think the desert safari was one of the most exciting activities on our trip to Dubai, and you definitely can't miss it. I'm going to drop links to all the activities that we did down below in the description so you can check them out for yourselves, and they're all really good deals. Everything is under £100 or around maximum of $100, so it's also an affordable way to explore Dubai. Relatively affordable, of course, because Dubai is an expensive city. The second thing on my list is something that I love to do in every city. Till my last day of traveling, I would stand by the fact that the best way to explore any city is through whatever water body is there, whether it's the ocean, whether it's a river. Just get on a boat, and that's one of the best ways to see any city. So the second activity that you must do in Dubai is go on a tour of the marina in a yacht or in a boat. So there are a lot of great options when it comes to yacht tours around the Dubai marina, and again, they're relatively affordable. You can get one for around 30 to 40 pounds or 30 to 40 to $50. And basically in the tour that we did, we got on a boat and we spent 2 hours traversing through the various marinas and the coast of Dubai, and we saw some amazing views. We saw the skyscrapers from the water, we saw the open ocean, we saw Jumeirah beach. It was absolutely thrilling. We went around the Palm, and yeah, we got some great chances to take photos, and we were even served a buffet lunch on the boat as well. So I will link that activity down below in the description as well, so definitely go check it out. If you're traveling to Dubai, don't forget to take a yacht tour, take some great pictures, have some great food, and observe Dubai from the water. The third activity on my list, obviously it involves the crown jewel of Dubai. When you think about Dubai, you can't not think about this, and that's the Burj Khalifa, or the tallest building in the world. It's actually pretty amazing that for a relatively reasonable price, for around $40, I think you can go up to the 124th and 125th floor of the Burj Khalifa, or the tallest building in the world. And if you pay a little more, I'm not exactly sure on the amount, you can even go up higher to the 146th floor. Don't quote me on that, I'll mention the right floor somewhere here. But even if you go up to the 124th, 125th floor, the view is absolutely amazing, and it's a surreal experience to observe the city from such a great height. And if I had to make a recommendation, I'd say go early in the morning, because if you go late, the lines will be absolutely crazy to get into the viewing gallery, and it'll be chock-a-block full up top in the viewing gallery sort of area. But yeah, go up to the top of the Burj Khalifa, get a coffee, walk around, observe the view, take some nice pictures once again, and yeah, it's a fantastic experience. Definitely do that. Number 4. Now, we always think of Dubai as a city full of massive towering skyscrapers and a city made of metal, but it's not just that. It is on the coast, and while you can get on a boat and you can go around the ocean, you can even enjoy the coast from land, and you can do that by going to one of Dubai's many beautiful beaches. The most famous one obviously being Jumeirah Beach, but there are a lot of smaller beaches, for example La Mer, which is one we went to, and you can just relax on the beach, sunbathe, and even get in the water. And when it comes to Jumeirah Beach, there are a lot of exciting activities around as well. There are a lot of lovely beach clubs where you can grab a great meal, grab some great views, you can take in the sunset. So yes, definitely check out Dubai's beaches, especially Jumeirah Beach. It's a very Miami-esque vibe. It's very cool, so check it out. And the last thing on my list is also a great activity. It may seem boring when I just say it's gonna be a mall, but it's not just any mall, it's Dubai Mall, which, if I'm not wrong, is the largest mall in the world. So I was wrong, there is actually some debate about it, but it's not the largest mall in the world, but it's either second or fifth, depending on what list you look at. This place is insane. So we spent I think 12 to 14 hours one day roaming around the mall, and we didn't even cover probably half of it. It was an absolute maze to get out of because it was so big. It was huge. And Dubai Mall is super exciting because there are many different things you can do. You can go to stores, you can shop, you can grab some great food in one of their many restaurants, and you can also go to the Dubai Aquarium, which is in the middle of the mall, which is absolutely amazing. You're walking around the middle of the mall and there's a huge aquarium where you can see sharks, you can see oarfish, you can see shoals of fish as well. So it's absolutely amazing. And even go inside the aquarium, you can go through this tunnel and you can see all the sort of sea life around you, or you can go into the aquarium and go to the top of the tank and you can take a boat which has a transparent bottom and you can look down into the aquarium. So that's a really cool activity, which again I'd highly recommend. So that was my short but sweet list of the different things you can do in Dubai. Definitely don't miss any of them. Even if you're going for a short trip, I don't think it's too difficult to cover all these different activities, and it shouldn't hurt your wallet too much because they're not all exorbitant activities. You can definitely get a reasonable price on all of them, and you can have a great trip which involves adventure, comfort, great food, beautiful views, and you can make the most of the amazing city that is Dubai. But I hope you guys enjoyed this list, and I hope you found it helpful. I hope it guided your next trip to the city of Dubai. And if you did find it helpful, you did find it enjoyable, then definitely consider dropping a like down below on this video and smashing that subscribe button to join me for a lot more videos. With that, I will see you in the next one.